So today I just wanted to show you how I made this spinner with feelings. So first let's take a look at what it looks like, and then I'll show you how to add the pictures and where it is. If you can see, I'm at pickerwheel.com/tools/random-image-generator/. So if I spin this, this is what it looks like and sounds like right now, but we can change this. So all that music and confetti and stuff, I can change that if I want to. So once we've had this choice, I can either hide that choice so we don't see it anymore, or I can just say done. I would probably want to hide this choice if we wanted to get through all the feelings. Today I'm just going to say done. Okay, so first I'm going to go through how did I get the images in here. So I just went to Google Images, looked up some feelings faces, and I did some screenshots. So I'm going to do one right now. Let's add excited. Okay, so now I'm going to go back. I took a screenshot. I'm going to go back to my picker wheel. I'm going to upload my image. I just learned this trick. I'm going to hit recents, and I'm going to go to screenshot. I'm going to hit open, and it adds it right in there. So now excited is one of my choices. So now I'm going to scroll down and just kind of show you some other options here. So tool settings is where you can choose how fast the spinner spins. So right now it's at a level 3. If you want the confetti and the sound, once it gets to the picture you're on, you can choose that here. Or the spinning sound. Maybe some of your kids don't like that clicking sound, so you could always turn that off. Tool colors, background colors, just kind of things you can play around with. And then if you keep scrolling down, it gives you more information about this particular spinner. So you can kind of go through and read a little bit more about it if you want. So just a fun way to do your feelings faces during the spinner, and might be kind of exciting for the kids. Kind of fun just to watch.